To graph this equation, we observe that it is a hyperbola. So we first need to identify the transverse axis, and because of the form it's written in, the transverse axis is the x-axis. The a value is the square root of the number that's underneath the x squared term, so it should be 2. And b is the square root of 9, which is 3. That will help us find the equations of the asymptotes, which are y equals b over a times x, so 3 over 2 times x, and negative b over a, or negative 3 halves x. The first asymptote is a line that passes through the origin with a slope of 3 halves. So I'll go up 3 units and right 2, or down 3 units and left 2, and I can dot in the asymptote. The other asymptote is a line that passes through the origin with a slope of negative 3 halves. So I'll go up 3 and left 2, or down 3 and right 2. I can then connect these points to draw the other asymptote. Now the transverse axis is the x-axis, so that tells us that we will draw our hyperbola, starting here at 2 units from the center, and it will follow this shape. Note that this is the a value, so we'll go 2 units in this direction as well and follow the shape of the asymptotes, and here is our graph.